In today's video, let's quickly learn how to share the Jio Hotstar account. Welcome back to a new guide video on HowGenic. If you're trying to log into your Jio Hotstar account on a different device, or you're just trying to share the credentials and make sure that other person logs in, let me show you how it is done. Now, before you try to share an account, make sure you have a subscription that allows it to do so. So for example, if you only have a mobile plan subscription, it says right here it only allows one device. That means in order for you to share your account, you need to log out of your Jio Hotstar account so that the other person or the other device can successfully log in. However, if you have a super or a premium plan, the super plan allows up to 2 devices and a premium plan allows up to 4 devices. So if you have one of these subscriptions instead of mobile, you do not need to log out of your current account or a current device. You just need to log into a different device as you normally do. So on the other device, make sure you tap on the login once you're inside of the profile section on the bottom right. Just tap on the login button. And here, as you normally log into your account, just type in the mobile number that the account is connected to. Type in the mobile number and an OTP will be sent to that phone number. You just need to type in the code and you will be successfully logged in. But make sure the OTP will be sent to the other device as it is connected to the other device on the other phone. So type in the code or the OTP and your account will be successfully logged in or shared on a different device. That's pretty much all for this video. That was the video about the way that you share the Jio Hotstar account. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe and also make sure to give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.